Hey guys, it's KraftsbyJazzy. So I actually am on my way to the store because I am going to be dyeing my hair like a plum pink color. Now you're probably like, how? Because I have my hair kind of dark. It's fading at the top. And naturally my hair is like a kind of like darkish brown hair. And then I've been dyeing it black, but now I want to change it up. I know box dye is not good, but I don't listen, so I'm gonna try it anyways, and stay tuned to see the outcome. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick update of what my hair kind of looks like. As you can see, the bottom didn't really take well. Still pretty black because I had black dye in it. I probably should have stripped it, but I didn't want to take the risk of it being orange because I read up on it. So yeah, so kind of like it. It's not as pink as I wanted it, but or this plum color. It's kind of like a burgundy color. It's nice. I could deal with it. It would be nicer if it was all of it, but it's kind of cute this way too. Hey y'all, it's KraftsbyJazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.